In this video, I'll show you how to use your EBT card at Walmart self-checkout. It's super simple once you know the steps. Let's jump right in. Start by placing all your eligible SNAP items on the scanner. The screen will tell you to scan each item, so go ahead and do that one by one. When you're done scanning, hit the Pay button. Now, look for the option that says EBT. It should be on the payment screen. Tap that. Take your EBT card and insert it into the card slot, just like you would with a debit card. Follow the prompts on the screen. You'll be asked if it's a food stamp transaction or cash withdrawal. Choose Food Stamps for SNAP-eligible items. Then enter your PIN, just like you would at any other store. Once approved, the screen will show your remaining balance. And that's it. Grab your receipt and collect your items. Quick tip. If you have non-SNAP items, you'll need to pay for those separately. Either remove them or go to a regular register to finish that part of the purchase. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick shopping and EBT tips. See you next time.